Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be reviewing this CIGMAN laser level. It's CM-S04. So this has been sent to us to review. So if you like to do something similar, please get in touch and we'll be more than happy to see if we can help you with that. And yeah, so without further ado, let's have a look what we got. So this is the box it comes in. Quite nice box. This is the padding inside, so everything's got its own place. So we'll quickly run what you have in terms of accessories in a box. So you got your normal base, adjustable. We'll go through the operation of that in a minute. So then you got a slimmer base. So that's the lowest it can go basically, unless you want to put it on the floor. Then you got your striking plate. That's when you work outside and you need to see the line. Charge cable. That's a gimmick. That's for your tripods, etc. You got two batteries like that. I've put one in already. A remote, a bracket, user manual, and obviously I showed you already the box. That is quite cool. It's quite compact, quite good looking, to be honest. So I think that is quite cool. What we'll do, we'll go our usual. We'll go into the weighing the tool. So I put one battery in. We'll weigh the tool. It is 1.490 pounds or 0.67 kg. So it's probably very similar to other laser levels, to be honest, in terms of weight. So let's do a quick visual. So the biggest difference is you got 4 beams. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Also it comes with the display, quite a big display, and here's on and off button, and then you can horizontal and vertical lines to change, and there's your lock and unlock button, so you can, if you do your strings, you can lock the laser beam to shine where you want it basically, not try to level itself. So yeah, and then there's a type C charging. So yeah, this is the unit. It's slightly bigger than my Bosch one, which is a green laser as well. But yeah, no, it looks okay. So before we go into testing it, let's go into the technical details, and then we go and do a little test and see how it performs.
Now, quickly looking at the technical details of the CIGMAN CM-S04. This is a 4x360-degree green laser level, giving you 2 horizontal and 2 vertical laser planes, or 16 lines in total. That makes it useful for jobs like tiling, ceilings, cabinets, partitions, and general alignment work. The green laser has a rated working distance of up to 30 meters, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 millimeters over 5 meters. It also has self-leveling within around 3 degrees, and if you need angled lines, you can use the lock mode to tilt the unit manually. Power comes from a removable 7.4 volt, 2,600 milliamp hour lithium battery with a rated runtime of around 7 hours, and it charges through USB-C. On the scale, with the battery installed, the unit weighed 676 grams. You also get an LCD display, adjustable brightness levels, pulse mode for use with a receiver, remote control support, Bluetooth app control, and an IP54 rating for basic dust and splash protection. The Bluetooth support is useful because you can switch laser lines or adjust settings from your phone without touching the unit and disturbing the setup. I would say this product is mainly targeted at DIY users, renovators, and tradespeople who need an affordable but capable laser level for indoor layout work. So overall, it is a compact but feature-packed laser level for interior jobs.
Right, let's try to have a look what it's like. Let's put it in a stand. Oh. Right, that's a bit of a tricky one. So let's try to turn it on. Let's see if the remote works. So here you got a magnetic pad as well. So let's see. I got some metal here. It's kind of stable-ish. So as you can see, this is pulsating setting. So vertical, so there's the remote. Horizontal lines. On and off button. So the display, so it shows a little horizontal and vertical, like degrees, what sort of angle you're at the minute. Also, by using the on and off button, as you can see on the display, you can change intensity. That will preserve battery. So the only let's see, yeah, you got adjustments as well, so you can bring it forward, because at the minute it did not want to spin around, which would be annoying, but I think it will. Yeah, so that works as well. It is slightly flimsy here, as you can see. I have tightened to the max, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's got a little wobble, as you can see. So there's a locking button or unlock button onto the up and down, and here, as you can see, there's a hole to go on your tripod if you have one. So this side, you got little feet as well to stabilize it. I must say, this does feel quite cheap plastic, bit sharp as well. Let me turn it off, I'll show you. Turn it off. So this plastic here, it's got some sharp edges. It's not like best finish here. I mean, it is an arm, so kind of it doesn't really matter that much, but yeah, just it doesn't feel as premium as, for instance, I've got a Bosch one. It does lack in that premium side, but yeah, I guess we could go to pros and cons, and then we'll see what I think of it, and whether it's one to consider. So let's go with pros. So it's got 360 coverage, so you got 2 horizontal, 2 vertical lines, which is good. Bright green laser lines, LCD display, Bluetooth app control and remote control included as well, as you can see here. USB-C charging, 2 batteries included, which is great, and it's quite good for the value, considering it's about 180 to 200 pounds mark, so that is not too bad at all. So the cons: laser detector unfortunately sold separately, so even though it's about £200 to buy the laser, then you need to account for detector as well, so that will be X amount again, depending on the deal you can get at time. So larger than a compact laser, it's quite bulky compared to others. So and the green beam is good, but in the sunlight it's difficult to see without the receiver, so you will have to get that as well. So that's the cons. Who is it for? I guess next, isn't it? So well, the verdict, who is it for? Well, obviously if you're a carpenter, tiler, you can consider it because it is good value for money, and accuracy wise it's the same 1.5-ish millimeter to 5 meters, so which is every level, laser level is about 3 mil to 10 meters, so it's the same roughly accuracy wise. Not sure about how long it will last, obviously, because it is quite new and I haven't tested it for a long period of time, so I cannot say how long it will hold its accuracy. Obviously not sure what happens if you drop it, for instance, because it does happen on site, so it's probably more for DIY or small installers, I would say, because yes, you got all the features, you got batteries, you got all this and that and the other, but for instance on a Bosch one, again you get all that as well. Obviously it's more money, but it's a bit more durable. So you got something called shock protection. You can realign the laser level, so you don't have to send it off, so it does it automatically, recalibrate. So this doesn't have that function. Obviously it's like a good option, and if you are for laser level, which gives you quite a lot for not so much money, and then yeah, I would say give it a go. And if you are interested in sending one of your products, we'd be more than happy to review it and give our honest thoughts, because every tool in my opinion has a place in the market. No matter how cheap or expensive it is, it will just depend on the audience and who is it for. But yes, I hope you enjoyed it, much appreciated, and we'll catch up in our next videos.